Hey guys, welcome to Deodom. In today's video, we are going to solve this problem called long common prefix. So it is a lead code problem. The problem number is 14 here. So first try it yourself and then see the solution. So let's start. So in this, let's understand what is the problem statement says. So write a function to find the longest common prefix string amongst an array of string. So we have given an array, and in that array the data type is string. Okay, so in that array we have to check each and every character of the strings. We have to check its prefix means from starting characters. We have to return the common prefix from the array. Okay, so here as you can see, the input array is this. So this fl is common in everyone. Okay, fl. So this we have to return fl only. Here in second example, let's say this is an input array, and as you can see, no common characters are there in the string. Okay, so we have to return the empty string. So means there is no common prefix among the input string. Okay, so this is the problem statement. Now let's understand how we can solve this. So as you can see, I've taken this array only, okay, for solving. So now what we have to do, so we have to first sort the array. Okay, first we have to sort the array. So it will get sorted lexicographically. So first is flight, then flow, and then flower. Yeah. So this will get sorted. Okay, so we have sorted the array. Okay, after that we have to create two variables. First it will assign with array of 0. Okay, so it will gets assigned with this flight. Okay, is last variable. This will gets assigned with string length. Okay, so this flower. Yeah. So str dot length, okay, -1. What we have to do again, we will recall it. So first we have to sort the array, and then we have to take two variables, first and last. Okay, and for first variable we have to assign array of 0. In last variable we have to assign a last element in the array. Okay, first element of the array here, and here the last element of the array. Okay, so we have to assign two variables. So for this middle elements, no need to check. Okay, because it has been sorted, and if the elements are sorted lexicographically, means its prefix must be same. That will be definitely same. Okay, so that's why no need to check for the middle one. First what we do, the first variable is flight. First is flight, okay, and second is flower. Okay, so as you know, so first will gets assigned with flight, and last will gets assigned with flower. Okay, so we have to compare this two strings. Okay, first and last. So f is common in both the strings, and l is also common in both the strings. So I and o is not common, so here the loop will be gets terminated, and we have to just return the substring of substring of either first variable or last variable. So you can take any one of it, okay, because both are same only. Okay, so let's analyze it again. So what we have to do, so first we have to sort the array, okay, then we have to take two variables, first and last, okay, and for first variable we have to assign the array of 0, or last variable we have to assign the last element in the array, okay. Then we have to compare first variable element and last variable element. The common characters should be written, okay. So here f and l is common in both the strings, so we have to return the substring of either first or last. So this way we can solve the problem. Let's write the code for it then. So what we have to do here, so first we will sort the array. So array dot sort, okay, and here we have to pass the string, okay. Array has been get sorted, so our first step has been completed. Next step, okay, the next step is to assign the variables first and last, okay. So string first, so it will get assigned with str of 0, okay. Then second string will be last and it will get assigned with str dot length, okay. Then we have to run a loop. So we will initialize a variable as index. It will start from 0 and will run a loop while index must be greater than first dot length, okay, and index must be greater than last dot length, okay, and we have to check first dot character at I, that means index, equal to last dot character at index, yeah. So we have to check these two conditions. So what conditions we have given here? So the index must be less than our first string length and the index must be less than our last string length, and we have to just compare the characters, the first string character at I and last string character at I, okay. So if it is equal, so we have to update the index then, okay. And after this we have to just return the substring, okay. So either first or last, return first dot substring 0 to I, okay. So for this only we have to return the substring, yeah. S must be small here, okay. So this is the code, and let's run the code here. So there is an error here, this, okay, str dot, okay. To remove this brackets as well. So this I means index, so 0 to index, so we have to return the substring of it, okay. So now let's run the code. So as you can see, our test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit the code. The test cases has been passed. Okay, all the test cases has been passed. So this is all about this video. So thank you for watching this video.